Let's take a look at the first example. We're supposed to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential first and simply write x to the second power equals 3x minus 2. Because I have x squared and I have 3x on the right side and I have constant, so this is quadratic equation. So I'm going to move everything from right side to the left in order to get standard quadratic equation. Equals 0. Please notice that in quadratic equation we can have two answers, one answer or not answer at all. So how we are going to solve this problem? I will try to factorize this problem. I have parentheses equals 0. X times x gives me x squared. These two numbers multiplied by each other are supposed to give me 2, and these two numbers, which I'm going to write over here, added to each other are supposed to give me negative 3. These numbers are negative 2 and negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 gives me positive 2. Negative 2 plus negative 1 gives me negative 3. So the answers for my problem are x equals 2 and x equals 1. Because for these x's, this equation is going to be true. I mean, the left side is going to be equal to the right side. Please keep in mind, if x is equal to 2 minus 2 gives me 0. 0 times anything gives me 0. And if x is going to be equal 1, 1 minus 1 gives me 0. 0 times anything gives me 0. Left side is going to be equal to the right side. I got two answers. Let's check how these answers are going to work with our problem. We said that the base of the logarithm cannot be 1. Base cannot be 1. One of our answers is 1. So this answer is wrong. Next, I have x equals 2. So this is okay for my base because my base must be positive and different than 1. And let's check the domain. 2 times 3 gives me 6. 6 minus 2 gives me 4. So the domain is positive. If the domain is positive and the base is greater than 0 and different than 1, so this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the next one. Again, we have logarithmic form and we have to convert this to the exponential. I have 3 to power x plus 2 equals 27. Copy down the left side. 3x plus 2 equals, and ask yourself question. 3 raised to what power is going to give me 27? Why 3? Because left side has base 3. 3 raised to the third power is equal 27. Anytime we have the same base, ignore the base and copy down the exponents. You have x plus 2 equals 3. X plus 2 is equal to this 3. I ignore the bases. And in order to find x, I have to move 2 to the right side. So if x is equal 3 minus 2. So if x is equal 1. And this is the solution to my problem.